Question number 5 is about organic chemistry. First of all, they have something called ethanol. So A is such as why it has this name. Okay, so talk about it spec bit by bit. Okay, first of all, it's ETH eval because 2 carbon, right? Good. And then friend, yeah, because it has CC double bond, right? And then there's NON here, okay, because it's a ketone, okay, so with a CO bond, okay, double bond. So it's the reason explain these three things, okay, and then you explain why it's this ethanol name, okay. Very good question, very good question. In IB chemistry, you always see some new chemical, but the principle, the thing behind it, the theory behind it, you have learned it. Trust yourself, okay? Okay, B, okay, compare and contrast the molecule, okay? Molecular force okay, that result in a ethanol being less volatile than carbon dioxide, while carbon dioxide is more volatile. So first of all, you explain a carbon dioxide. Maybe you can draw it out actually, okay? Although it has delta plus and delta minus, but because of its symmetry, symmetry or symmetric, so it is a non-polar as a whole, okay? So it is non-polar as a whole, okay? You should say as a whole, not as one part, okay? So it only has what kind of force, okay? Yeah, the random force, right? The random polarized force, we call it a London force, okay? Very weak, or you can say weak, okay? But for the ethanol, okay, it has a CO, so it is a polar, right? Polar, so it has a polar attraction, okay? Dipole force, okay? Stronger, right? Yeah, I should say stronger dipole interaction, so it is less volatile, okay? Less dipole force, okay? So it is less volatile, okay? Remember, answer the question word, okay? Question is about volatile, so make sure you say something about volatile, although it comes from the strength of the intermolecular force. So say it is a less volatile. Why? Because it has a strong dipole force, and because of carbon dioxide compared with it, just non-polar, just London forces. Remember comparison, okay? You have to say both sides, carbon dioxide and ethanol, okay? Ethanol, okay? Okay? Okay, see you for the next part.